How to fix Snapchat error due to repeat failed attempts. Your Snapchat access is temporarily disabled. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. If you are trying to log in to Snapchat and you're getting this error, it is temporarily disabled because you have entered your password multiple times, or maybe someone else is trying to log in Snapchat and it'll be temporarily disabled for security. So what you can do is to wait for about an hour before you can log in again. If you don't want to wait, what you will do is go to the app Snapchat, you go to log in, and here tap on forgot your password, and now as you can see, you'll be able to choose whether you want to reset your password by phone or email. And this way, you'll be able to reset your password to log back into your account. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.